Today we have a cat dump truck full of Kinder Surprise eggs.
Don't forget your hard hat.
Let's see how many eggs we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Let's start opening the eggs. And here we have a little toy. The flyer. And so it's a car with a launcher. And one more time. Ready, set, go. And here we have some yummy chocolate. Kinder chocolate. Egg number 2. Here's the toy, and here's the yummy chocolate. We have a flyer. And looks like we have a superhero. Egg number 3. This is the flyer. It looks like it might be a compass. So it spins when you blow. Egg number 4. Here we have the flyer. Egg number 5. We have a sticker and a flyer. We have another superhero. Superman. And here we have egg number 6. We have a sticker and a flyer. And here we have a little skateboard and a ramp. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and stay tuned for a lot more fun surprises.